Join me as I try to create the coziest Christmas fireplace setup using my favorite ideas. I'm Rhonda, and I'm so excited to share with you my favorite Christmas fireplace ideas. And there's something so special about a beautifully decorated fireplace that just enhances the Holy Spirit, don't you think? It's like the heart of your home, where everyone gathers to share stories, enjoy each other's company, and create memories to last a lifetime. When it comes to decorating our fireplaces for the holidays, I think we've all been there. We want to create a festive atmosphere, but we don't want to overwhelm the space or break the bank. Am I right? It can be tough to strike the right balance between making it look beautiful and not going overboard. Sometimes it feels like we're limited by our budget or the space itself, or maybe even our own creativity. But I'm here to tell you that it is totally doable. And I'm going to share some tips and ideas with you to help you create the coziest Christmas fireplace setup ever. One of the biggest challenges I think we face is figuring out how to make your fireplace look festive without going overboard. And we've all seen those gorgeous magazine spreads with perfectly decorated mantel, the beautifully arranged garland, and the sparkling lights. But let's be real about this. Most of us don't have time, the budget, or the expertise to create those looks. And that's okay, because the beauty of decorating your fireplace is that it's all about expressing your personal style and creativity. So don't be afraid to experiment and try new things and have fun with it. Another thing that could be holding us back is not knowing where to start. Should we go traditional with red and green garland and lots of ornaments? Or should we try something more modern with sleek lines and minimalist decor? The truth is that there is no wrong answer. It's all about what you love and what makes you happy. And that's what I want to encourage you to do, is to take some risk. Try some new things and make it your own. For me, the key to decorating my fireplace is to start with a clean slate, to take everything off the mantle, dust it down, and start fresh. Stand back, take a look at it. And then I think about the overall vibe I want to create. Do I want to be cozy or intimate or bright and cheerful? That's where you start. Once I have a sense of the mood that I want to create, I start adding in the decorative elements like the garland, the ornaments, and the lights. And I always try to mix it up. And I'll use a combination of high and low and old and new and something natural, something from outside to create this truly unique look. When it comes to styles, I think we all can agree the traditional and the classic look. It's the quintessential Christmas look with red and green garland, holly, and all the trimming. But modern is also super chic. Think sleek lines, monochromatic color schemes, and lots of sparkle. And then there's rustic, which is all about cozying up with natural elements like pine cones and twigs and burlap. And the beauty of it is that you can mix and match elements from each style to create a look that is your own. One style that I'm loving this year is a mix of modern and rustic, then sleek glass ornaments paired with rustic pine cones and twinkling fairy lights. It's the perfect blend of sophistication and coziness. And the best part is, it's easy to create. Just grab some glass ornaments, some pine cones, and some twinkling lights, and you're good to go. Now, I want to share with you one of my all-time fireplace favorite ideas, and it's so simple, yet it's so stunning. It's a DIY garland, do it yourself, made from natural elements like eucalyptus, ferns, and pine cones. Just gather your materials, tie them together with some twine, wire, and then you have a beautiful one of a kind garland that adds so much texture and interest to your fireplace. And the best part is, it's totally customizable. You can use whatever materials you have on hand and make it simple or as elaborate as you like. Another idea is I want to share with you is a super easy way to add some sparkle to your fireplace. And it's using the LED candles. I know what you're thinking. Candles can be a fire hazard, especially around Christmas trees and decorations, but LED candles are totally safe and they add so much ambience to your space. Just place them on your mantel or along your hearth, and you're good to go. In conclusion, I hope you've enjoyed this Christmas fireplace of ideas as much as I have. And remember, it's all about expressing your personal style uh, and creativity and having fun with it. Just remember that. Don't be afraid to try new things. Take risk and make it your own. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope that you'll share your own Christmas fireplace ideas in the comments. If you're looking for more holiday inspiration, be sure to check out my other videos in the playlist. And I've got tons of ideas and tips to help you make this holiday season your best one yet. Merry Christmas and happy holidays, and thank you.